Hello, and welcome to Athena's instructional video on the concentrate validation procedure. I'm JJ, and I'm excited to guide you through the steps to accurately validate your stock tank mix before feeding your plants. Ensuring the highest quality and efficacy, validating your stock concentrate is crucial to maintain the integrity and performance of our fertilizer. Let's get started. Most basic measuring cups are not precise. For the most accurate measurements, weigh 1,000 grams of RO water on a calibrated scale to get precisely 1,000 mLs. Gather all the necessary materials you'll need: the sample solution of Athena's Core, Grow, or Bloom, a syringe, a measuring mug filled with 1,000 mLs of RO water, and your EC meter or pin. Make sure all your equipment is clean and calibrated for the most accurate results. For this demonstration, we'll be using ProCore. Next, carefully take 5.1 mLs of ProCore concentrate using a syringe. It is important to measure the concentrate solution correctly to avoid batching errors. Now take the concentrate sample in the syringe and squirt it into the measuring mug filled with 1,000 mLs of RO water. Measure the sample accordingly to the specified procedure. Record the data meticulously, as accurate documentation is key to validating concentration. Repeat the measurement multiple times to ensure consistency. Now, using your EC meter or pin, make sure the concentrate EC is within the acceptable range of 1.4 to 1.6 EC for ProCore. If accurate amount of water and concentrate are used, you should hit a target of 1.5 EC. Remember to double check your calculations to confirm the accuracy. If your values match when comparing the calculated concentration and the established standards, then your solution is valid and is ready to mix batch tanks. There are several factors that can impact the accuracy of your concentrate mixing, like how graduated measuring cups do not have precise markings. If your validation EC is out of acceptable range, here's how to adjust for accurate batch mixing. If you're over target, then just add a little water to dilute the stock tank, or reduce the injection rate. If you're under the target, it is okay to just slightly increase your injection rate to hit the target EC. Thank you again for joining me today with this simple concentration validation procedure. By following these steps, you can ensure the quality and the effectiveness of our products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team via the website, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you again and have a great day.